This is the boiler room exhibition space. We have a door and a cabinet with shelves. The door leads to a closed closet, shelves, electricity. When we turn, we have another closet with shelves and a closed door, the heating system and the blank wall, the lighting system. When we proceed, there's a small cabinet behind the closed door. You can turn left and you see the corridor. In the corridor, there is a closed closet, a shelf, elevator, a toilet, and a closed door that leads to the kitchen. I'm going to turn around so you can see it from the other perspective. When we walk through the corridor, you see the closets, a shelf, a blank space, electricity for the lighting system, closed door, a small cabinet that is below the stairs. This is the front door of the space. And this is the bigger room where we have some closed doors, cabinets and shelves, and the electricity.